Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Code Family. This is Washish, and in this video we are going to learn how we can use styled component in React. Styled component is the latest library in React which is used to enhance the power of CSS. Through it we can write JavaScript with CSS. In this video I will explain some of the basic concept of styled components. So without any further delay, let's get started.
So let's go to our VS Code. Here inside the app.js you can see I have a basic component of React as app, and inside that I have created a button is known as click me. And if I go to the web page, then it is looking like this. It has a hover effect. So let me show you the CSS file of this component. Here inside the body I have taken height, width, display, color, and the some of the grid properties, and after that I have styled for button, and here I have created the button hover effect. So what we're gonna do is now you're gonna use styled component. Before going to styled component, let me first show you what is styled component. So first of all you just need to go to the official website of style component, and here you can see the basic structure of a style component. First of all there is a whatever name you can give to a variable, and then you just need to assign it with the styled dot and then a valid HTML tag name, and after that two backticks, and then inside that you can put your styles. So to get more knowledge in this, click on documentation, and here click on basics, and here you can read the documentation of style component. They have mentioned all the benefits of using this style component, and just scroll down below, and here just copy this command. This command will help you to install the style component in your project. So go to your terminal and paste this command and click enter. Okay, now the style component is installed. So import it, import styled from styled component, and after that, and let's create a style component which is const wrapper equal to styled, and after that you can mention any type of HTML tags that you want to use in your style component. So in my case I want to use div, and then press two backticks, and inside that you can design this div as a wrapper. So for my case I have styled already, so I just need to copy these things. So Control X and then app.js, and here paste it, and then our style component is wrapper, so I just need to put it here. So wrapper. Okay, you can see the style is changing a little bit. So what you need to do is just go to VS Code, and here let's understand how this style component works. First of all, inside this two backticks we just need to put all the styles. So for this wrapper we don't need to write the body, and we just need to erase it, and inside this wrapper you can see we have used the button tag, so it is okay to use here. And to use pseudo classes we can use here ampersand, but now we have to put this inside the buttons curly braces so that ampersand can refer to the button tag. So now let's see how it is looking. Okay, so now it is working perfectly. Before going to the next part, I want to show you something. Just click on inspect and click on this, and now as you can see we have not given this div with class this sc hyphen gkpr whatever. We have used here wrapper component, but the browser decode this component to a unique class with the HTML tag that we have used here to make a style component, that is div. If we use here a section, then it will also use it here section, but with a unique class every time we make it. So now let's move forward towards nesting and variables. And now let's make the component nested. And inside the wrapper component, now we can have the section tag, so that we make it nested component. So now here we can have a h1, and inside that we can put that my channel name, that is code family, and before this h1 I can put a paragraph, that is, why this is not working? Okay, so now here we can put that hello YouTube, and now let's see how it is looking. Okay, we have not applied style yet to this section and this h1 and p, so let's make it. And here to style this section, first of all we have to define its style. So here we just need to use the nested property of this style component. So here outside the button but inside this wrapper, we just need to use your section and just open the curly braces, and inside that you can write CSS for the section. So height will be 20 RAM and width will be 50 RAM, and now background color will be white. And let's see how it is looking. Okay, outside the button, okay, we have not put yet outside the button, so just cut it and paste it outside the button, and now it will work. And now the white color background will apply to this section. And now to style this paragraph and the h1 tag, we just need to put inside this section that paragraph. Okay, so paragraph, and after that color would be red, and text align would be center. After that inside the section you can put the h1 tag also. So for h1 the color would be green and text align would be center. And let's see, okay, you can see the style is applied already. And now I think you can understand how you can use nested property. So to use the hover effect in the heading, what we can do is we just need to go to inside the h1, and there we can have our ampersand symbol, and then hover and open the curly braces, and here you can mention your style. So color would be black. So let's see, if I hover in code family, it is converting into black color. I hope guys you all understood how we can use nested property. So now let's talk about variables, how you can use variable in the style component. Now here you can define a variable. So let heading color will be equal to what we can put here, heading will be of blue. Okay, so we can use here blue. And to use this variable inside the style component, we just need to replace this green with, to use the heading color here, we have to use first dollar symbol and the curly braces. This is like as you use these things in template literals, but here you don't need to use the backticks. So here you can mention the variable name, which is heading color, and as you can see it turned into blue. So I hope you understood how we can use CSS variables in the style component. And now let's see how you can use properties in style component. So before that, what we need to do is, okay, let's change this button into a component first, button, to use the property. Now we just need to pass a prop as bg equal to green, and now let's make a style component for a button. So before that, just cut this buttons style from the wrapper and paste it outside the wrapper. Before that, what we need to do is, we just need to create a style component for button, styled dot button, and use your two backticks, and after that you can paste your styles, and we don't need this button here. And now I think everything will be fine. Okay, we have passed a property as bg and its value is green, and now we just need to receive the background. To get this prop, what we can do here is, we just need to use here the template details. So here write $8, and after that open the curly braces, and here we have to use a callback function, and inside that we have to pass props. And now we can get this props as props dot bg. So I think, okay, got it. I just need to put here a semicolon, and I think everything is correct here. As you can see, the color of the button is changed. So I think you all got to know that how you can use props in a style component. Okay, so now let's talk about theme provider. Before going to that, I want to show you the documentation part of theme provider. So theming, okay, here basically it is used like a context API in style components. Through this we can pass properties when they are in multiple levels also. So how can we do that? Okay, here we just need to import the theme provider first. So theme theme provider, and now here we have to define some themes. So right here const theme equal to, it is an object, so you can define a, here its properties like bg will be red. So this is a object, so we just need to define here like this. So now how can we use this theme? So just go to the app component, and here just need to wrap up these things with a theme provider and theme provider. Just wrap these things, and after that we just need to pass a theme properties, and there, and here we just need to pass the above theme. And now I think we have done well. Okay, we just need to make it as a small letter, and now let's use the theme. Okay, first of all, let's change the background color of the button. Okay, here inside the button style component. How can we get that? By simply using props dot theme dot bg. I think everything is correct here. As you can see, the color of the button is converted into red. And now let's do the same for our h1 tag. So let's change the h1's background color also. So here write that background color will be, and here you can copy this same code and paste it for the background color of h1. And now I think everything will be perfect. So now as you can see, the h1 has also the background color as red. In this way we can implement the theme in our style components. This is basically used where we have to make a big project. So now let's learn how we can use global style. Global style is nothing but just like an external CSS. Like here we are using the index.css and app.css files. Likewise, we can use the global styles, but it has a major advantage that, like, if we want to change the styles dynamically in the external CSS file, then it is not possible. For that we have to use the global styles. So how can we use that? So just go to your source folder and create a file as global style and .js, and there you just need to import the create global style from styled components, and after that you can create your global style, that is const global style equal to create global style. And after that just use the backticks and inside that, and here in the body we just need to make some global style. And now we just need to export this global style so that we can use it inside the app.js. So export it, and after that inside the app.js we just need to import this global style. And after that after the theme provider, here we just need to mention the global style. And by this all the elements can use the global style. Let's see how it is looking. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, now it is clearly visible. Okay, let's change the font size so that it is easily noticeable. So font size will be 3 RAM, and now you can see this is changing. In this way you can set your global styles. And the main advantage of using global style is, if a theme has already a font size, we can also use it inside our global styles. So let's first define a theme's font size, that is 2 RAM. Okay, let's put it inside the inverted comma because it is an object. And inside the global style we can also access it through template literals, and after the dollar symbol just write the curly braces, and after that use the, okay, we can directly use the theme. So theme as theme dot font size. Okay, got it. One thing I have not done yet is I just need to make it inside. I just need to wrap this theme inside a parenthesis, and after that a curly braces. This is known as object destructuring. This is available in the above version of ECMAScript 2015. And now we can change the CSS through JavaScript also. And let's try some different font sizes from the theme. Like I'm making it as 3, then 2. Okay, I think you have all understand that how we can use style components in React.
I hope guys you all have enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt related to this video, then you can put it in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer them, and we will meet in our next video. Till then, keep coding.